This is Kayye from Rave. We're here at ISE. We're in the sort of the digital signage section of ISE, and I'm here with Nick Belcour. And you know Peerless because they make mounts. I mean, everybody knows that you can mount something. You need to mount something, no matter if it's an iPad or it's a LCD or a projector or whatever you want to. Kiosks, they got it all. Everybody knows them for mounts. But what they don't know is that you have one of the coolest new technologies around, and I think a lot of people use it and don't even realize that it's your product. So it's called PeerAir, which we gave an award to last year, and I think it's your emerging technologies group within Peerless?
That's exactly correct. Peerless has evolved as a company, and we became a fully integrated AV company about 2 years ago. The first step into becoming a fully integrated AV company was to develop AV type products, and the PeerAir products were the first ones of their kind. They include a WHDI based technology. This one is Wi-Fi based, this one is WHDI based. And so this is a more robust commercial product. This is a singular feature commercial product. Each of them obviously based on different platforms. So the Wi-Fi based product is a full 1080p 60 hertz with multiple different interfaces. So you've got your component, you've got your HDMI, you've got your VGA, so a variety of commercial applications. Because that is a compressed signal, it has a superior range of 131 feet. That's through walls, through floors, but you get about a 30 millisecond latency with this product because of the time that it takes to compress it. The other product that we proudly feature is the WHDI based product, which is about 100 feet line of sight, completely uncompressed. What goes in comes out, and that's about 1 millisecond of latency. And what's unique to that product versus others in the marketplace is there's a gaming port pass-through on it, as well as a pass-through to run multiple TVs on it. So it's very, very unique to us, and one that our Emerging Technologies division had created specifically for us.
So, so what happens is whatever device is on, switches on the input source, or does it have an input selection and a remote control separate, or how does that work?
There's an input selection and a remote control, and it works with the IR, so you can communicate backwards through whatever device it is that you're trying to run.
Right, and what's interesting about this is not just a one-to-one device. You have one-to-one solutions, but you also have one-to-many solutions, so you can do mini monitors in one location, so you don't have to wire your entire house. You basically can do your entire house wireless.
That's exactly correct. So whatever signal you want from wherever you want, it can go to up to 4 screens with the HD Flow product. What you do is you get separate transmitters for each one of the TVs that you would like, and so both of them are scalable and buildable depending upon what your specific needs are.
So this is sort of a tough marketing thing you have going here, because everybody knows you as a mount company, and you're sort of you need to sort of, or you're in the process of sort of rebranding your company in a way, because even though you go to Peerless, I think it's Peerless-AV.com, that's sort of a landing page for not just the mounting products, but it's also now for for the PureFlow product, for PeerAir, for the audio product. So it's kind of tough to do. I mean, I don't know how you pull this off, because you're diversifying so quickly. I mean, is there a secret to how you're gonna make this happen?
There is, actually, and that's a great question. Thanks for asking it. What our Emerging Technologies division is specifically looking for are products that are synergistic with the markets and the channels where people have come to know Peerless as a mount company. And so when we tell them that we are now doing wireless communication in that space, we're doing wireless sound in that space, it logically makes sense to them, because they've already been using our products to mount the short throw projector, for example. So why not use the integrated wireless short throw projector that incorporates the Peerless speaker systems, the Peerless amp, the sound-based products? So it is a logical extension of what we've been doing before, and it's been very well received by everybody that we've talked to about it.
So basically what you're saying is that, you know, you probably don't use this term, but I typically use the term, you're a glue manufacturer, right? You're part of the piece that holds it all together. So you're not the source, and you're not the display, you're the glue in the middle. And all those pieces in the middle you consider sort of fair game, because the same integrators having to integrate all those glue pieces to put that system together?
That's exactly correct. And as you're well aware, this is a rapidly evolving field. And so if you don't consistently improve your value proposition to your customers, they're going to look elsewhere for those solutions. So why not develop them yourselves and increase your benefit to them? There's so many people that are in the mount game now. I would argue not doing it anywhere near as well as we are, but there's so many that are in the mount game now that where we truly differentiate ourselves beyond our core offering is our emerging technology products that they simply can't get from any other mount manufacturer.
All right, so Peerless-AV.com is sort of the landing page for the mount products, the PeerAir products, all the emerging technologies products, right?
Yes, you can get to all of them from there.
All right, so All right, so what you got to do is you got to go Peerless-AV.com, because you know them as a mount company, but they're doing a whole lot more, and so you need to look at, and everything's going wireless. It's not just VGA going wireless, not just laptops going wireless, not just networks going wireless. We also have the ability to send digital signals wirelessly, compressed, and you have different options, different compression options for depending on your application. Obviously, if you're just watching TV at home, then you're going to have a different application than if you're sending HDMI signals through a corporate facility, room to room, and you don't want to have audio latency and video latency issues. So, thank you very much, Nick, for joining us today. What I want you to do now is, at the end of this video, is I want you to go up in our search box, type in Peerless. You don't even have to do the -AV. Just type in Peerless, and you'll be able to see all the videos we've shot here at ISE 2013 in Amsterdam on the Peerless products, because they have a number of new products they're launching here at the show. So I want you to check it out, and we'll see you next month at DSC in Vegas.
We'll look forward to it. Thanks.
All right, take care. This is Gary Kayye. Thank you for watching.